It is about learning to express our feelings, tell our stories, and connect with people across the globe. Whether she was writing about the colorful bazaar of Hyderabad or the strength of Indian class students, let's take a leaf out of her book. Tales, read more stories, learning.
Lata from 9th class to the stage opinions on English Day.
My name is Nilata. I am studying the 9th class. Today we gather to celebrate English Day, a day dedicated to a language that truly connects the world. While many of us speak different mother tongues, English as a bridge that allows us to share ideas across borders. Why is English so important? A global passport. It is the primary language of the internet, science and international business. Knowing English opens doors to the global opportunities. A window to knowledge. Deliver a speech centered to today's class.
Good morning everyone. On this English Day, I encourage you all to make English a part of your daily life. Speaking English every day is the best way to build confidence and fluency. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are steps towards learning. Whether you are reading a book, chatting with friends, or watching a movie, practice daily. Practice every day to get better at English and open doors to a bright future. Thank you.
Purna from 7th class to the stage address the gathering. Applause.
Good morning. Today is a very special day for us. We are celebrating English on the birthday of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a great poet and brave freedom fighter. Through English, she shared India's thoughts with the world. English is not a just subject. It is a bridge between people. It helps us to learn new ideas and grow with confidence. Let us.
Hello everyone. English is a magic key that opens many doors. Most books, movies and websites are in English. If we learn this language well, we can gain so much knowledge and succeed in our future careers. Let's make English our best friend. Thank you.
We celebrate English Day. English is not just a school subject. It is a global bridge that connects people from every corner for our world. In this medium lives English is business and science. It helps us take to people from different cultures to share our ideas. We should look for inspirations, and Sarojini Naidu is famous negative of India. She was a brilliant poet of leaders who used the English language to tell the story. India is of India, freedom to the inter process, India, heart and soul. Today, knowing English give to the power of the anything and anywhere. Thank you for this.
In school, it is the language of the future. Most big companies and cool jobs.
మైక్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకోమా
The to speak
ఇంకా?
English well. If
ఇంకా?
you want to be a pilot, a scientist, a famous gamer, English will help you reach your goal. It gives us the confidence to stand in front of the world and share our dream. Let's practice it every day. Thank you.
Studying 7th class. English is a global language. Whether you want to be a scientist, a pilot, or a traveler, English helps reach your goals. It's connect to billions of people across the planet. Let's celebrate English Day by reading a new storybook today. Happy learning, Gordon.
Friends, good morning to everyone. My name is Embaghi. I am studying in 8th class. Today we are celebrating English Day on the occasion of Sarojini Naidu's birthday. Sarojini Naidu was a great freedom fighter and a famous poet. She is called the Nightingale of India. She wrote beautiful poems in English and loved our country very much. Her life teaches us to love our nation and respect all languages. Let us try to speak English confidently and improve our skills every day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Studying 9th class. Respected headmaster, teachers and my dear friends, today we are celebrating English Day on the birthday of Sarojini Naidu. And important language, it helps us to read books, use computers and talk to peoples on from different places. English give us us confidence and help us in your studies and future jobs. On this special day, let us promise to learn English.
It helps us talk to people from different countries and learn about their cultures. When we speak English, the whole world becomes our friend. Let's practice every day.
And growth. Good morning everyone. Today we are happy to celebrate English Day in memory of Sarojini Naidu. English is a global language. It helps us in studies, in competition and in our future life. If we practice English daily, we can speak without fear. Small steps can make big change. Let us learn English with interest as use it with confidence. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
In English from always cartoon to helpful. Coding lessons, English is everywhere. It makes learning fun and easy. Let's use this English day to start a new habit of speaking in English. Thank you. English day. Have you ever wondered why we learn English? It's not just a school subject.
Mike దగ్గర పెట్టుకోమ్మా.
Superpower. I call it a superpower because English is a global bridge. Whether you want to talk to a scientist in America, a pilot in France, or a friend in Japan, English help us understand each other. It is the language of the internet, space, travel, and our favorite movies. When we learn English, we can share our stories with the whole world, read amazing books written by authors from different lands, feel confident we stand on this stage. Our great poet Sarojini Naidu used English to tell the world how beautiful India is. Just like her, let's use our words to be kind, smart and brave. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every time you try a new word, you are going, so let's keep doing it.
English Day is a time to recognize the immense impact this language has on our lives in the present world. English acts as a universal tool, whether you are browsing the web, traveling abroad, or applying for a professional career. English is the primary medium of communication. It breaks down barriers and carries endless opportunities for growth. As we celebrate, let us remember the contribution of Sarojini Naidu. She was not only a political leader but also a literacy genius who mastered the English poetry. She showed us that a Persian language can be used as a powerful weapon for change and a beautiful way to share our heritage. By mastering English, we follow in our footsteps, gaining the ability of represent
A global bridge that connect people from every corner of the world. In our modern lives, English is everywhere for the internet and social media to international business and science. It helps us talk to people from different cultures and share our ideas. We should look for inspirations in Sarojini Naidu, the famous Nightingale of India. She was a brilliant poet and leader who used the English language to talk the story of India's freedom to the entire world. Her beautiful writing proved the English can be used to express Indian hearts and souls. Today, knowing English gives us the power to learn anything and go anywhere. Let us use this day to improve our skills and become confident. Everyone.
That by encoding takes circles of light, lustrous tokens of radiant light, for happy daughters and happy wives. Some are meet for a maiden's reach, silver and blue as the mountain reach. Some are fresh like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of the woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom that leads to the limpid glory of newborn leaf. Thank you. Library.
What building has the most story?
To celebrate the occasion, I would like to challenge your brains with a fun riddle. I am full of holes, but I still holds water. What am I?
One second. Item is there in our room actually. In our room we have that item. In this class we have that item. Full of holes, not single hole.
Full of holes, but it can hold water.
Human అని చెప్పాడు. హ్యూమన్ మనిషి
చాలా holes.
Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Kumar, studying in 6th class. Hello to my teachers and friends, wishing you a very happy English Day. I thought it would be fun to share a riddle with you all this morning. How has hands but cannot claps?
Hello sir, repeating. My mic, attack in petko.
Who
Spelling tested. It is about learning to